Underground lines offer enhanced reliability, being less susceptible to outages from weather events like wind, snow, and ice storms. They also provide improved aesthetics, hidden from view and enhancing neighborhood appeal. There is reduced fire risk since there are no exposed wires, and increased safety, eliminating the risk of electrical accidents from contact with overhead wires. However, they come with disadvantages. Firstly, higher installation costs are involved. Burying lines is more expensive than installing above-ground lines. Secondly, maintenance can be challenging. Underground lines are more difficult to repair or replace, especially if the ground is frozen. Thirdly, there is potential overheating. In some cases, underground lines can overheat if they are not properly installed or maintained. Above-ground lines, on the other hand, offer advantages. Firstly, lower installation costs are incurred. Installing above-ground lines is less expensive. Secondly, easier maintenance is provided. Overhead lines are more accessible for inspection, repairs, and replacements. Thirdly, better ventilation exists. Overhead lines are exposed to the air, which helps dissipate heat and prevent overheating. Fourthly, fewer voltage drop issues occur. Above-ground lines typically have lower voltage drop than underground lines due to better ventilation. Disadvantages include a susceptibility to weather events. Overhead lines are vulnerable to damage from wind, snow, ice storms, and lightning strikes. Secondly, there is visual impact. Overhead lines can detract from the aesthetics of neighborhoods. Thirdly, safety concerns are present. Overhead lines pose an electrical hazard if not properly maintained or if they come into contact with vegetation or other objects. The choice between underground and above-ground lines depends on various factors. Geographic location is important. Areas prone to severe weather events may benefit more from underground lines. Neighborhood aesthetics also matter. Communities that prioritize visual appeal may prefer underground lines. Cost is also a key consideration. The availability of funds can influence the decision-making process. Service reliability is another factor. Underground lines generally provide high levels of reliability, which may be critical for essential services or areas with frequent power outages. In general, underground lines are recommended for areas with a high risk of weather-related outages, a strong emphasis on aesthetics, or where safety is a primary concern. However, above-ground lines may be more cost-effective and easier to maintain in certain situations. It is important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of each option carefully before making a decision that is best suited for the specific circumstances.